Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Android Studio, open a project, or use the welcome screen so menus are active. Once done, make sure the Android SDK is configured and at least one AVD or connected device exists, because Device Manager lists targets. Now, go to the main menu bar and focus on Tools. This is where Device Tools live. You do not need extra plugins for Device Manager, but you do need IDE access and SDK components installed, so verify those before moving on. You click Tools, then Device Manager, and the panel opens. This is the core control for emulators and physical targets. Once it appears, scan the list. Running devices show a green dot, stopped ones do not. Use the Create Virtual Device button to add AVDs, configure CPU ABI, RAM, and skin to match testing needs. When you select a device, controls for cold boot, quick boot, wipe data, and more appear. Use them deliberately to manage state and performance. You now start the chosen emulator or connect your device via USB and confirm Android Studio recognizes it in the Device Manager list. When visible, you can deploy and debug. If the device does not appear, restart ADB from command line or via the Device Manager actions and perform a cold boot on the emulator to clear transient errors. If that fails, make sure the SDK path and emulator system image packages are installed. Reinstall the emulator component as a last resort. This usually resolves persistent detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.